How to convert YouTube videos to MP3. The first thing you want to do is to pull up your preferred web browser, and let's go ahead and download a specific tool first. The tool is called VLC. Just simply type in your search bar VLC. So once you have typed in VLC Media Player, just click on the first one, official download of VLC Media Player. Just click on it. Now, once you are on the VLC website, just gotta go ahead and download the VLC software. And once you have downloaded VLC software, you'll have to install it and make sure that it is successfully installed to avoid any problems like this one. And then we'll go ahead and download our YouTube video. Just go to youtube.com. Now, once you're on YouTube, you'll just have to connect or sign in to your account. And then once you have successfully logged in, just click on your profile and go to YouTube Studio. From here, all you have to do is go to Content below Dashboard and then download the videos that you wanted to be converted to MP3. So to download that video, you just have to click on the three dots beside your video that you want to be downloaded. Just click on it and then click download. Now it could take up to 2 to 3 minutes of your time depending on your internet speed. Now once you have downloaded the video, you just go back to your software, which is the VLC. And from here, all you have to do is to click on media located at the top left portion of your screen and then go to convert forward slash save. Now make sure that there is no any information on file selection right here to avoid any issues. So to convert it, just simply press on add and then find the YouTube video that you just downloaded earlier. Click on open. Now click on convert, and then from here all you have to do is to click on the drop down beside the profile and then choose on audio MP3. And then once everything is set, you'll just have to change the file destination. So let's say, for example, we'll be adding it on our desktop and then click save. Now you can go ahead and start the conversion. So there you go. We just have successfully converted our YouTube video to MP3, and that's how you convert YouTube videos to MP3.